What's up guys? So it's been just a month since the launch of the OnePlus 8T, and now, it seems the next flagship series from the company is on its way. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. Yes, I'm talking about the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. These smartphones are already in the process. Now return with the CAD-based renders of the next generation OnePlus 9 Pro. So yeah, this is most probably our first best look at the OnePlus 9 Pro. If I look at the design, it seems OnePlus has merged the basic design of the OnePlus 8 Pro and the OnePlus 8T, both released last year. Like honestly, we are seeing revised design from last year. Anyway, if we look at the front side of the phone, the OnePlus 9 Pro shows a curved display with extremely thin bezels and a small punch hole in the corner for the selfie camera. Yes, OnePlus is again making a curved display phone rather than a flat panel. Nothing extra on the screen there. If we look at the back, it shows the camera module positioned in the top left corner of the rear that houses up to 4 sensors. The larger cameras probably act as a main and the ultra-wide angle shooters, whereas the smaller ones could act as macro and depth sensors respectively. All of these cameras are paired with a dual-tone LED flash and a small microphone for recording videos. Unfortunately, no information about the camera specs or features are available at this point, but definitely I will cover everything about the smartphone. Anyway, if we talk about the specifications, obviously it will come with the latest Snapdragon 875 processor, with 8 GB of RAM or 12 GB of RAM, and 128 GB or 256 GB internal storage variants. Having said that, the OnePlus 9 Pro announcement is scheduled to take place in March. The event will also see the introduction of the regular OnePlus 9, with both devices hitting shelves shortly after. And one thing I would like to say, do take into account that certain details may change ahead of the launch, because the OnePlus 9 Pro is still in the prototype stage, so the design could change a little bit. So take all of this with a pinch of salt until it gets official, but I'm sure the OnePlus 9 Pro will definitely look like this. Anyway, what's your thoughts on the design of the OnePlus 9 Pro? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.